Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a destination when planning a route in the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the routes button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the create a route plan button, and here click on the destination button, and as you can see you can set your current location, or you can search for a place to set, and Greater London is set as a destination here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.